Mr. Cat's Science Lab.
And what are we doing today, Mr. Cat?
We're doing the Avengers cards.
So Top Trump's Avengers special.
Yes.
So what did we do? We picked out all the Avengers cards
Yes.
from the first movie, and we're going to have a look at their powers. Oh, and Spider-Man. He doesn't join the Avengers until like the 17th movie. So which one should we look at first? Iron Man.
Yeah, because he has.
So why don't we do Iron Man and this one together at the same time?
Okay.
So show it to the camera. So who do you have there?
Iron Man.
And who is Iron Man?
Tony Stark.
So we have a Tony Stark card and an Iron Man card.
Okay.
Do we have a look at their stats?
Let's do that.
So technology 100,
Yeah.
which I think is about the highest in the game.
Yeah.
Although Tony Stark has the same level.
Because he is Iron Man. That's what he
So
is.
here, who should we look at next? Technology for Hulk is not going to be very good because he's only got 2. But what's his strength?
That one. That one.
20,
20.
which is the highest in the game as well. Is this one stronger than 20? And we also have Dr. Bruce Banner.
Which turns into Hulk.
You ready? Watch this, you ready?
Yeah,
Oh,